fanatics, we're gonna turn this down a little bit, and we are going to keep going, as I always say. So I need one of these, which is gonna go right in here. Like that. And to make sure you force it down so it goes click. And then, okay, so I'm going to take one of these. I'm going to take this. Top of that, like that. I'm going to put this on here. Ooh, hello. Almost got my finger involved in that. So like I said, you want to push down just like that. Add a little bit of pressure on. Like I said, we're building this water tower. Then the next thing I need is this piece and this piece. Like that. Okay. And then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to push down. Boom. And then I need this piece right here. That's going to sit like that. Okay, so this is going to sit on here, and I have a gray piece I'm supposed to have here, but I'm going to look for it. I might have to order it. Okay. This is supposed to go in here. Okay. Learned a little trick here. I'm not going to waste time with this, because really, to tell you the truth, I don't need it right now. Okay, so this is going to go on top of here, just like that. And there's a little gray piece where that orange was supposed to sit, but I don't have it right now, so I will get it later. Oh, and I'm supposed to... I need 2 stickers. So, where are my stickers? Okay. So I need this one, which is going to go... right. Yep. Right, like that. Bingo. Okay, and then I've got another one, which will go. I'll put that back over there. This one is going to go like that. And there you go. That's a little off, isn't it? The cool thing about these is if you have fingernails, if you don't have fingernails, then you can use a pair of pliers. So I'm just going to try to get this straight as I possibly can, put it back on there. There you go. That one's not so straight, but who cares? Yeah. I'll pop that back out there like that. And as you can see, I've got 2 stickers there. That goes like that. That goes like that. Okay, so this goes right like that on the roof. Now tell me that's not cool, right? Because it's got the water tower and everything on it, and that's holding that all together. So yeah, oop. These little things just like to pop off. Okay, so let's build a small tower here. So I'm gonna need, make sure I'm holding this right. I'm gonna need this piece here, this piece here, like that. Okay, And I've got to hold it like that because I'm going to move this out of the way for a minute. I've got to put this like that, okay? And then I've got a red piece, white piece, red piece, just like that. Then I've got one of these, like, oh, of course. Alrighty, it wants to be a pain. We're going to put that on like that. We're going to put this on top of there like that. And then I'm going to take this piece. Oop, you know what? No. I'm going to do this. Move this out of the way. Okay, so I need one of these, like that, and then another one like that, because you're supposed to have two, and then this little red light goes on top of that, like that, and this piece goes on top of this red deal, like that. Then this, and I'm going to take this off because it's just being a pain. Alright, and then this part goes in just like that. And then this goes back on here because we just built a tower, okay? Alright, so yeah, I think I've run out of time here and I need some more parts, so I'm gonna go look for some more stuff. So like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.